Hello everyone! So, sa mga nangutana, I will answer a common question. So, yes, the successful completion of this course, TESDA will issue a bookkeeper license and POR upon successful completion of the assessment. So, kung mapasar na to ang assessment, makadawat ta o bookkeeper license, ug naa pa tayo POR kung makapasar ta. So, hard work. And as I said sa ako ang last video, emphasize the importance of independent research. So, karon pa lang, sugdi na, start na karon o explore the different angles. Magawas ta tanag sa magpahangin. So, tip nako for today is to master your negotiation skills. So, view negotiation as a win-win transaction where both parties will benefit, of course. So, for deeper insight, read The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey.